channel and welcome to yet another video where I'm going to share this makeup look which is right over here, and I created this look for each. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video.
Okay you guys, so this is what my bare skin looks like. I have nothing on my face right now. I'm starting off with my moisturizer process and I'm using this Lakme Peach Milk Gel and loving this moisturizer. This is in the gel formula, so it really works really well for normal to oily skin type people, and I love using this before my makeup. I've already talked about this in the previous video and you guys know I love this. So yeah, I'm using this moisturizer all over my face and also on my neck area. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to do my brows right now. So I'm using this spoolie and just giving my brows a particular shape. So I will be keeping my eyebrows very natural, and for this I will be using this dark brown shade from this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to overdraw my brows. I'm just going to follow my natural hairline because I like my brows to look natural. I don't want my brows to look over dramatic. I'm going to do the same thing on my other side of the brow. So yeah, I'm going to do that off camera. And voila, I'm done. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to use this Insight Cosmetics concealer. I don't know which shade it is. The link will be in the description box. So if you want, you guys can check it out. And basically right now I'm just making my brows look neat and clean. So I'm using this concealer. It works really well and I love using this concealer for this particular part. This just makes my brows look very neat and clean, very sleek, and yeah, do check it out, this concealer. It is amazing, you guys. Also, the beauty blender that I'm using just do justice with this concealer. It doesn't soaks anything. This is from Colabal. Will highly recommend you guys to check out this blender. It works really well and I blend everything like my foundation, bronzer, everything with this particular blender. Coming to our base, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Primer. This definitely blurs out my pores. I have open pores near my nose area and this actually blurs out those pores. I love using this primer when I'm doing a heavy base makeup, and it also brightens my skin. I don't know how, but it does. So yeah, you can use this on a day-to-day basis. Moving on to the next process, I'm going to use a foundation. Now this is the foundation that I absolutely love. It gives a medium to high coverage. It depends on you what coverage you want. If you use extra amount of this, it will give you high coverage definitely. And if you want like a daily wear look, you can also use this particular foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. And now I'm going to blend my foundation. So this blends like a dream. It absolutely blends like a dream. I don't have to work really hard with my blending process with this foundation. It blends like heaven. I just love this foundation. I can't express my feelings about this foundation. I can't. And the one thing that I want to mention over here is that it is very important. Listen over here, that a lot of girls have problems, issues that their foundation oxidizes. So here's one hack that I have been following since a really long. So I go for a one shade lighter for my foundation. So when it oxidizes, it looks like my actual skin tone. So it won't look black, like it won't look like it has oxidized. It would look like my actual skin tone. So this is the hack that I have been following since a really long. So this is what my skin looks like after the base. I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty concealer. Now this is again something that I'm loving the most. I've used a lot of concealers at the moment and this is one of my favorite concealers now. The coverage is just so amazing. The price is so good and it gives that high coverage. It is not like a medium coverage concealer. It gives that high coverage to my skin, and that is what I love about this concealer. It is very affordable. The shades are not that much. You have to go for you have to search for your shade, but once you get your shade in this one, you will never use another concealer. Okay, so talking about where I'm using this concealer, I'm just highlighting my high points of the face right now. I'm also using the same concealer on the sides of my lips because, as I said, it is a high coverage concealer and I have a really dark side of my lips. Like the darkest thing of my face has to be the sides of my lips. So that is why I've been using this concealer over there too, and this works really well. It blends like heaven. Again, this is something that I would highly recommend you guys to check out. And if you see, I'm not highlighting my whole under eye. I'm just covering the inner corner and the sides of my eyes. So this is what I have been doing since a month now, and I actually love this process. By using the same concealer, I'm also hiding my dark spots. Now, as I said, this is a high coverage concealer, so it just hides all my dark spots, and I blend the concealer on that particular space where I have dark spots. I don't take it any other space. And just to even out everything, I use the same blender all over my face, all over the area where I have not used the concealer, so it just even out everything. Now I'm going to set my base using this Fit Me compact powder. This is in the worst condition, and basically this now works as a baking powder for me. I use this compact powder all over my face because I have an oily skin type, so I need to set everything. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to bronze my face. Now I've been using this Makeup Revolution palette since a year now, and I still own this palette, and बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मैंने अभी तक यूज़ भी किया है इसे, because this is just like the way it came. Now moving on to the next step, I'm going to set my base with this Blue Heaven makeup fixer. I just press some amount of this on my beauty blender, and I dab that beauty blender on my skin. I just dab it into my skin, all the products into my skin. I don't spray makeup fixer directly on my skin because I don't like that thing. After I'm done with this process, I'm going to use a highlighter. Now I don't use highlighter before makeup fixer. I use it after makeup fixer because it just highlights more. If you can see, like, it is working. So yeah, I'm using the same highlighter from the Makeup Revolution palette. I love this whole palette. I love the bronzer, I love the blusher, I love the highlighter. The bronzer is not something that I use the most, but yeah, I absolutely love using the bronzer and the highlighter on a day-to-day basis. I use these two things every day. So yeah, again, I'm only highlighting my high points of the face. This is where we use highlighters actually. So I came closer to the camera because now we are going to do our eyes, and for this I'm going to use my brand new eyeshadow palette. This is from Lakme Absolute. I'm taking this nude shade and using this all over my eyelid, and moving on to the next shade, I'm using this pink kind of a shade, and using this other transition shade, using this dark pink shade on the inner corners to just give it a depth, and taking a very dark kind of a shade and just making a wing out of it. And I'm loving this look, these shades. I'm just using a clean brush now and blending everything really well, because blending is the key to a good and pretty eye makeup. Take your time and blend everything really well. If you want, you can also use a tape, but I don't use a tape. Moving on to the next step, I'm using this NY Bae pencil. Now this is a eyeshadow pencil, and this is in the green shade. So I'm just doing a base before applying a shimmer. Now you can use any kind of eyeshadow pencil. Even if you want, you can use a concealer too, but I think this will work really well because I'm going to use a green kind of a shade from this Lakme Absolute palette. So yeah, I'm using a green base to just make everything look really well, using this flat brush, and I'm going to blend this eyeshadow pencil. Now I'm going to keep my flat brush and I'm going to use a clean, very clean brush, and will blend everything, the transition shade and this green shade, ताकि कोई harsh lines ना रह जाएं, and yeah, just blend everything really well. I'm going to add some shimmer shades now because shimmer just add that bomb to your eye makeup. I'm taking this green kind of a shade. Now this seems like a neon shade, but this is not a neon shade. This is a green, parrot green kind of a shade. I'm using this all over my eyelid just so that eyeshadow pencil. Now the last shade that I'm going to pick from this palette is this shimmer, purple shimmer shade that I'm using in the corners of my eyes to just create a depth. Now using the same shades on my lower lash line. And to show you the exact pigmentation and color of these shimmer shades from this Lakme Absolute palette, I'm doing my other eye too on camera. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone and also add some falsies. The falsies that I've used is from Go World, and I've used a TS brand eyelash color. I've used Eurogirl eyelash glue. I've finished my look with Maybelline Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara. I've finished the whole look with a Lakme lipstick, and this is the final look.